Can I replace my Liftmaster 8365 with a Chamberlain 253 garage door opener? Yes, Liftmaster is one of the sublines of garage door openers manufactured by the Chamberlain Group. While Liftmaster and Chamberlain don't make the exact same garage door openers, you can easily switch out an old unit for a newer unit from either brand and expect to see similar performance. The main difference between these two garage door openers is as follows. Liftmaster is a pro option, and Chamberlain is your all-round type of garage door opener. Liftmaster comes with a durable and sturdy T-rail assembly trolley system. On top of that, this technology relies on only one part, which is made out of heavy-duty steel. As a result, an average Liftmaster opener can lift heavier doors than a Chamberlain. When it comes to Chamberlain garage door openers, they come with a 3-piece assembly trolley system. Therefore, Chamberlain models are best suited for lightweight garage doors. If you're wanting to switch from a Liftmaster 8365 to a Chamberlain 253 garage door opener, and your door is a standard residential size of 16 feet wide or 8 feet wide, you shouldn't have any issues. Contact Brand Garage Doors of Cleveland for garage door installation.